Getting the something went wrong error on TikTok on your iPhone. This problem often occurs because of network issues, server problems, outdated apps, or corrupted cache files. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the something went wrong error and get TikTok working perfectly on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. Before doing something, open up the Safari app, type fast.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn this off. After doing these basic things, if you still have the same issues, then follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Offload TikTok app. First, open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok, then tap Offload, and again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now go ahead and check the issue. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the below. Type TikTok, tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Now go ahead and check the issue. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to the Settings app again, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. If not, then follow my last solution. Solution 4. Check Down Detector. Open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type Down Detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Now search TikTok. Next, tap TikTok from here. Then scroll down. Here you can see that officially TikTok app is down or not. If you see that the TikTok app is officially down, then you have to wait for a few times. The TikTok team will solve this ASAP. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the something went wrong error on TikTok on your iPhone. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.